What's up, guys? Got another video for you. This here may look like a regular Mustang, but it's one of 25. This is a 2015 Ford Mustang Sherrod SSVT edition. This is a total custom Mustang. As you can see, lots of aftermarket modifications. And grabber blue. Who doesn't love grabber blue? Man, everybody wants this car. Only 26,000, and I believe it only has 15,000 miles. It's got side exit exhaust, both sides. This is beautiful. Paint match louvers. Now the only thing I don't like about this car is that it's an automatic. And it's a basic Mustang inside. Only difference really is it's got that fancy little plate here. But yeah, auto. But if you've ever been in a 14-15 body style Mustang, you know that it's pretty much the same interior as any other one. Man, that's a good looking car. Not a whole lot done under the hood. It's just got a Roush intake on it. Other than that, it's all stock other than the exhaust. But I just thought I'd share, do a quick video. It's been a few days. Do one more quick look. Sherrod. So again, if you're new, we are Auto Enterprise in Newport Richey, Florida. Everything I post on my page and the auto related videos is all for sale. This car I was able to get a price on for you guys. We have a lot of people that are already interested in this car. This, like I said, is one of 25. So it's probably going to be gone quick. But subscribe to my channel if you like seeing these high-end exotic kind of vehicles. I have plenty more to show. I will try to do my best to get as many videos out as possible. So thanks for sticking around. Till next time, this is Auto Enthusiast 6901. Peace.